SQL dot connection. Two packages you have to import. One is import java dot SQL dot connection. That is one pack. Or you can simply write import java dot SQL dot star. If you write the java dot SQL dot star, no need to import all the packages. Import java dot SQL dot driver manager. Two packages we have to import. Yesterday I already told you about package. What is package? Package is collection of classes. What is jar? Jar is collection of packages. Is it clear? Jar file is Java archive. Jar is collection of what? Packages. Package 1, package 2, package 3, etc. Package consists of interfaces and what? Classes. Interfaces, classes. These classes consists of what? Methods. Yes or no? So in order to use that predefined classes or predefined interfaces, in order to use predefined classes or predefined interfaces or predefined methods, you must have the knowledge on what? You must have the knowledge on you have to import the packages actually. You have to import the package. Is it clear? Then only you can consume the interface and classes. If you want, you can import, instead of writing these two packages, you can simply write or I will write, simply you can write import java dot SQL. Import java dot SQL. That is enough. So steps to java dot SQL dot star. So steps to be followed while working with JDBC. First step is what? Actually you have to add the jar file. You have to add the jar file in order to work with JDBC. Okay. So here you can see that I will show you when we create the project. So these are the steps you have to follow. You don't need to write all the three, either these two or this line. Anything you can write. So what is the problem? If you're not writing, we are not importing the package, what will happen? Tell me. Anyone? If you are not importing the package, what we cannot do?
Interfaces and
Predefined
classes
classes
will
and
not
interfaces not
Accessible.
access not accessible.
We cannot access the interfaces and what?
Classes
Classes.
defined, predefined.
Predefined classes and interfaces that are provided by JDBC. We cannot consume that. That is step number 1. Step number 1 is what, all of you? Import the package. Step number 2. Step number 2, what to do, you know? We need to register the driver. Step number 2, we need to register the driver. Actually, we can register the driver in two ways actually. I will tell you how to register the driver. Are you following everyone? Thin driver. We are directly working with thin driver. Step number 1 is import the Java package. Is it clear? Step number 2, we need to register the driver with driver manager. Register driver with driver manager. Yesterday I told you what is a driver. Driver is a software which is used to create the communication between two softwares or a software and hardware. Here we need to register the driver with driver manager. So here we have in order to register the driver, we have one a predefined method is available. A predefined method is available under driver manager class. A predefined method is available under driver manager class. So here class name is driver manager and here method name is static. This is a static method actually. Which method? Register driver is a static method. Okay, na? Static method name is simply register driver. Register driver of. Here at the time of registration of driver, you have to pass the driver object. Here you have to pass the driver object. Here you have to pass. There are two ways. Is it clear?
Yes,
Step number 1, import the package. Step number 2, register the driver with driver manager. In order to register the driver, a predefined method is available. Here I can tell we can register the driver. We can register the driver. We can register the driver with driver manager. With driver manager in how many ways?
2 ways.
In 2 ways. In
2 ways.
2 ways. Okay, na? Let us see what is the first approach. First approach. In order to register the driver, a predefined method is available under driver manager class. So the class name is driver manager and method name is what?
Method name is registered driver.
Register
Driver.
driver. Class name is driver manager. Method name is register
Driver.
So the syntax is, first step is you need to create a driver object. Step number 1 is, or you need to directly, you can call the method. It is a static method. Register driver is which method?
Static method.
Static method. How to invoke the static method? By using class name.
Class
What is the class name? Driver
Driver manager
of,
does register driver of
register driver of. Here you have to pass the driver object name. Driver
object name.
So what is the syntax to create the object? New.
New
Here you can see the driver name. Oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot Oracle driver. Oracle
Driver.
is nothing but creating what?
Object.
object for
This is the thin driver. Which driver?
Thin driver.
driver.
Driver is which driver? Type 1 or type 2 or
Type
3 or 4?
Type 4.
Type 4.
Driver. Which driver? Type 4 driver. So step number 1, import the package. This one you can write or this one you can write. This is single line, this is 2 lines. Register driver with driver manager. We can register the driver with driver manager in 2 ways. One is by invoking the register driver method. For this register driver method, you can pass the driver object. You can pass the driver object, or here this is one approach. Another way is also there. Here I will try to show another syntax. One I will try to show you here how to register the driver. Step number 1, create driver object. Which object? Create driver object. How to create? You can create a driver D. Driver D is equal to new driver name of new driver class name. What is the class name? This is the class name. Oracle.jdbc.oracle driver. Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. Just by heart that one. Means this is the package name. Oracle.jdbc.driver is package name. Oracle driver is class name. So you are creating an object for what? Oracle driver separately, and then you are calling the driver manager. Driver manager dot register driver of, instead of passing the object, you can pass the reference. Both are same. Here you have to write 2 lines of code. Here you have to write 1 line of code. Any syntax your wish. Did you understood everyone? Here creating driver object, and step number 2, register. Otherwise you can write register driver object with driver manager. Driver manager is responsible to establish the connectivity linking. Invoke this method. Don't write all the things. Syntax 1, syntax 2. Any one you can use. Which one you feel comfortable. At the time of invoking this register driver method only, you can directly pass what? Object. Or you can create the object separately and pass what? Reference. Step number 1. Are you following everyone? Is it clear? Our main target is to communicate with the database. Develop the application by using Java. And your Java application want to interact with the database. Take the support of JDBC. By heart all these steps. Step number 1. Import the package. Step number 2, register the driver with driver manager. We can register the driver with driver manager in how many ways?
2 ways.
2 ways. One is by using what? One is create the object for driver class.
Object.
Is it clear?
Assigning the
pass that
reference to
object
the
for this register driver method. 2 steps are there. Sir, I can't write 2 steps, sir. Okay, I want to write in a single step, sir. I can't write all these 2 steps, sir. I want to write in a single step. Means you can use class dot for name. This is another approach. These 2 is one approach. Another approach is class dot for name. Here I can write something like, in order to register the driver, we can use class dot for name, of, here you have to pass the driver class name, driver class. This is the syntax. You can use class dot for name. There are three ways. Actually, our target is what? Create an object for a driver and pass that object as parameter. Here 2 lines will be there. Here 1 line will be there. Driver manager dot register driver. Okay, now there is one more approach to register the driver by using class dot for name. For name is what? A static method. Class is what? Class itself is the class name. For name. Here what is class? Class is nothing but here which name? Class name. What is for name? For name is nothing but it is a static method. Here you have to pass the driver class. Static method defined in and package name. For name is nothing but method name. For name is nothing but method name. And this method is available in package name. Here I'll try to write something like package name. Package name is nothing but here I'll try to write java.lang. Java.lang. Under java.lang you have this particular class with name. The name of the class itself is a class name. What is the use of class dot for name? Class dot for name, we have to, I already told you, by invoking the method we can get the object no. So here you can directly write, okay, na, class dot for name of, here you can just give the class name. That is, here I will try to write one note. At the time of, see here I will write one point. Whenever we execute the program, see whenever we have to pass driver name. We have to pass driver name as input. Driver name, we have to pass driver name at the time of invoking the for name method. See here the syntax I'll try to write, you see, then I will explain. What is the syntax here? Class dot for name of, here you can mention the driver name, driver class name. You have to give the driver class name. Are you following? So example, if you want, you can write something like this. Class dot for name. Class dot for name of, here you have to mention the driver class name. Class dot for name of driver class name. What is the driver class name? Here you can write something like Oracle dot, this same name you can give. Only class name you give, don't give what? Object. If you want to register the driver, by using register driver method, you have to manually create the object and then we have to pass the object as parameter for this method. But if you try to work with class dot for name, you no need to create any object. Just whenever you class, see. So here what is observation I will try to write, you see here. Is it clear? Here you will write whenever for name method is executed. Whenever for name method was executed, then what will happen, you know? Driver class will be loaded. Driver class will be loaded in memory and then driver class object is created. Driver class object was created. Driver class object was created. That is, driver class was registered. Driver was registered with driver manager. So no need to write 3 to 4 steps. In the first scenario, you can write 2 steps. In here, the same you can write in 1 step. But nowadays, people will not use this approach. They will not use this approach. Mostly will use which approach? Class dot for name. Class dot for name, what it will do? If you want to create any object, if you give the class name, then you will get the output as what? Object. Here we are passing the input as which name? All of you following?
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
happening with class dot for name? If you just give which name?
Class name.
Class name, what is
Class name.
created? What was created?
Object is created.
Object is created.
Object was created. That is, what is the meaning of that? That is, driver class was registered. Driver class was
Registered with driver manager.
Registered with
driver manager.
manager.
driver.
Manager.
You don't need to write any separate code.
Object.
Did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Class dot name. Whenever you want to, you don't want, you know the class name, but object will create at what time? Runtime by JVM or server or framework. What is the difference between register driver method and class dot for name? Register driver method manually we have to create what?
Object.
Object.
Manually object driver object creation is driver object creation is what?
Required.
Required. Manually driver object creation is required. But coming to class dot for name, no need to create any object. Just if you pass the class name, object is created and driver object was registered with what?
Driver manager.
Driver manager.
Driver manager.
Driver manager.
Manager.
Driver object was registered with driver.
Driver manager.
So step number 1, what to do? What is step number 1?
Import the packages.
Import the
Put the packages.
Yes. Step number 1, import the
Packages.
package. Step number 2, these are,
Register the driver.
here I wrote A and B, but which one you have to follow?
B is submit.
B.
B is recommended. Step number 1, import the java.sql package. 100, we'll do lot of programs, you don't worry. You will become expert in JDBC. By heart these programs. Step number 1, import the package. Step number 2, register the driver with driver manager by using class.forName. Class.forName, what it will do? If you give the class name, you will get the object. ForName is a method. That method is asking, please give me class name. I will create the object and I will return the object. Not only driver class, any class it will work. Class.forName. We'll discuss more about this class.forName after 1 or 2 examples. So step number 1, import the package. Step number 2, register the driver with driver manager. Register the driver with driver manager. That is step number what? 2. Register the driver with what? Driver manager. Are you following everyone? I already told you one point in JDBC what will happen. By invocation of method, object creation will be done. Here I told you. Okay, now before this I will told you one point. In advanced Java, especially in JDBC, object creation will done by invoking the method. In JDBC, object creation will done by invoking the method, and that object was assigned, to interface reference. That is what happening in advanced Java. Object creation will done by invoking the method, and that object, and every class is implemented class, and the interface is there. Interface class must be implemented now. So object will be created for who? Implemented class, and the reference is for interface. I already explained you several times this point. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Step number 1, import the package. Step number 2, register the driver by using what?
Class.forName.
We will use this one only. We will not use register driver method.
Okay, sir.
Maybe sometimes in interviews they will ask you how many approaches are there to register the driver with driver manager. You can tell there are 2 approaches are there. One is we can manually create the object for driver class, and we can pass the reference as parameter for register driver method. That is one approach. Another approach is we can do by using
forName.
Class.forName, you can pass the driver name.
Driver name.
Object is automatically created. How
At the runtime.
at runtime, how it will work internally, I will take one separate workshop on that. Today, our topic is to complete the steps. Okay, na?
Okay.
Step number 3. Step number 3, what to do? Get the connection. Get connection object. Get
Connection object.
you no need to create the connection. We need to get the connection object. What is the purpose of getting the connection object? What is the purpose of getting what? Connection object. Connection object. The purpose is to open the connection. Is to what? Open
Open
and
the close the connection.
connection with database
Open and
server.
close the
Database.
server.
Server.
See, in the line number 1, you registered your, in line number 2, you registered your driver with what?
Database driver.
You registered your driver with what? Driver
Database.
manager. You registered your driver with driver manager.
Manager.
Get any permission to communicate with the database?
Yes, sir.
Perform any operations or anything, you must get the permission. In order to get the permission, you have to invoke this method. Which method?
Get connected.
Get connection.
Get connection method. Already we discussed in the last class. What is get connection?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is get connection?
Connection con.
We already
To
discussed or not previously.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how to get that connection here? Connection
Connection
con
con is equal to
driver
Get
manager dot
get connection.
manager dot
Get connection.
connection of. Here you have to pass the URL. You have to pass what?
URL.
URL.
Driver manager dot get connection. Here you have to pass what? URL. That
URL.
URL you have to pass. Driver manager dot get connection. So get connection is a static method available in which class?
Driver manager.
Driver manager class. So here what I have written here in the same manner I will try to write here. Okay, na? Here you can write something like this. Here how I have written. Okay, here what is name? Here driver manager class name. What is the class name?
Driver manager.
Driver manager.
Class name is driver manager. Get connection is what?
Method name.
Method name.
Method name.
Static method. What is that method name?
Static method.
Get connection.
Get connection. What is the interface name?
Connection.
Connection.
Connection. What is con?
Interference.
Interface.
Reference.
Reference. So here I will try to write one note. In order to connect, in order to establish the connection, in order to establish the connection to the database server, in order to establish the connection to the database server, we need to pass connection string. We need to pass what? Connection string. Like we need to pass first one. We need to pass the connection string, or you can simply call as database URL. You can pass database
URL.
in that one. First you have to pass the driver name. Which name?
Driver name.
That is nothing but Oracle dot. Tell me.
Oracle dot JDBC
Driver dot driver manager.
dot Oracle driver.
Oracle driver. That is nothing but which name? Driver.
Driver name.
And here you have to pass the URL. What you have to pass?
URL.
URL.
What is the URL? You have to pass JDBC colon driver name.
Oracle colon.
Oracle dot
Tin column.
Oracle colon what?
Tin column.
Tin colon
At the root localhost.
Here you can give localhost
One port number.
port number. Are you
And
following? Port number is 1521
1521.
colon
Something
XC. What is the meaning of this?
URL.
Database URL. Whenever you install Oracle, that Oracle file is available in your
URL. Database URL.
Database URL. You have to mention the driver name. First one is driver name. Next one is database URL, and then you have to give username. What you have to give?
Username.
Username and password.
If you are not giving all these things, what is the problem?
Cannot connect to the database.
No connection.
And no connection.
If you are not connecting to the database, what is the problem?
We cannot
You can't
develop an
retrieve data.
application.
You will not get permission to communicate with what?
Database.
Database. So you cannot write any queries.
Correct.
Okay, na? Insert queries, delete queries, comments, your queries will not work. And here you have to mention what? Password. What is the password?
It's our
You can give any password. Change. I am giving the password as admin. Okay, na? These are the parameters we have to pass at the time of establishing the connection to the database server. Did you understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Step number one,
Import the packages.
Step number two, register the driver with
Register the driver with driver manager.
by using class dot
Class dot for name.
for name. Step number three, get the connection
Get the connection.
by invoking which method?
Connect.
Get connection.
Driver.
Get connection
Driver
method.
man.
By invoking, you already know this point, very powerful point. You know, interviewer also don't know. What is the powerful point? We can create the object. We can get the object by invoking the method, and we are assigning the interface reference. Son, everyone. Now here syntax. Here how you can write here. Let us see. I can write in this manner. You can see here. I will copy this one. There are two ways you can write. Let us see. There are two ways. One is here store these all names in one variable. Here you can take one variable string. Here you can give driver name is equal to. This is one way. Is it clear? And here you can create one more. What is that one? Here you can take one more variable. What was that? String db URL. db URL is equal to. You can give like this. This is another way. And here you can give something like string. Here you can give username is equal to system. This is declare the variable and store all the values in one variable so that you will not confuse. Yes or no? String password is equal to, you can give admin. This is one approach. Another approach is also there. This is one approach. And here you can invoke the get connection method. How to invoke? Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager dot get connection of. Here, are you following? You can directly pass the variable names db URL, comma, username, comma, password. You can pass. Are you following, everyone? Comma, password. Sir, where you kept this driver name? Actually, this driver name is not required here. This driver name we already given. Here we have given driver name. You have given here. Driver manager dot get connection of URL we have given now here. Yes. And here we have given driver name. This is for driver class name. Okay, now here only three parameters: URL, database URL, username, and what? Password. Database URL, username, and password, so that you will not get any errors. Okay, now if you write like this, it is a good syntax actually, because you are storing individual names in your variable, and we are doing this one. This is one way. Another approach also I will write. Okay, na? Another approach.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Second approach. Or if on syntax 2, here I will try to write. This is syntax 1. Syntax 2, what you can do? Syntax 2, here what you can do? You can write in a single line. How to write? Same code you can write. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection of. Instead of writing all these things, what you can do? Here you can write the same in a single line. Though it is in multiple lines, full clarity will be there. This is JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon @localhost colon 1521 colon exe. That is nothing but your file location of the file, comma. Here you can give username. What is that one? System, comma. Here you can give the password. What is that one? Admin. Are you following? No need to write both the syntax. Either you can write this line 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, or you can write single line. Your wish. Okay, now this is. Are you following, everyone? Feeling difficult?
Following, sir.
Following us. Step
Following,
number
sir.
one.
Following.
These are very easy steps. I will tell you at the end. Step number 1, import the package. Step number 2, register the driver with driver manager, mostly by using class dot for name. Next, get the connection, mostly by using any step, your wish. Database URL, the location of the URL, where is your database, that file name we are giving, and username and password. Now we are communicating with the database by using get connection. Very good. Get connection, it will return the connection object. Step number 4. Step number 4 is pass the query. Step number 4 is pass the query. Is it clear? We can pass the query we can pass the query by using three ways. I already told you. By using how many ways? Three ways. One is by using what? Statement interface. Recommended to pass which comments? All of you.
DDL.
DDL comments means what? Create,
Create, alter,
truncate.
truncate.
And then here you can use prepared
Drop.
statement. Prepared
Statement.
statement. Create, alter, truncate, and drop. Prepared statement recommended to pass which commands?
DML commands.
DML commands like what? Insert,
Update.
update. And another one is what? Callable
Create.
statement. Callable statement recommended for what?
Stored procedure.
Stored procedures. Callable statement recommended for stored procedures. Statement interface recommended for DDL commands. Prepared statement recommended for what? DML commands. Callable statements recommended for what? Stored procedures. Okay, na? Later we'll discuss in depth about these three in future, but for time being, so I told you this is one connection. This is driver manager object. This is what? Connection object. This is what? Statement object. And this is your what? Database. Yes or no? I'll explain this one anyway later. For time being, tomorrow your work is by heart these steps. So how to create, how to get the create statement object? Con dot what? Con dot what is the method name?
Statement.
Create statement.
Statement.
Con dot create
Statement.
statement, and the return type is what? Statement. So
Yes.
statement st is equal to. So this is the method I told you now. Whenever you call a method, that method will return what? Object. Reference is what?
ST. Statement. Interface.
Interface. Interface reference. Here st is interface reference. Here con is which reference?
Connection interface reference.
Interface reference. Yes. Don't confuse. So pass the query. In order to pass the query, we need to create what? Statement object. And we need to invoke the methods. Is it clear? Next here we have to write something like invoke what? Methods. Or here step number 4 you can write what to do, you know. Create object. Create object for create statement. Create object for what? Create object for statement. Create object for what?
Statement.
Statement. Okay, na? Next step number 5, what to do? Pass the query. Pass the
Query.
Query.
query and
Execute.
Execute.
Execute the query.
execute the query. Single line. Pass the query and execute the query in single line. Object creation will done through interface reference. That is the meaning you have to understand. Object creation will done by invoking the method, and the result of the object must be assigned to the interface reference. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pass the query and execute the query. In order to execute the query, in order to execute the query, we have three methods are there. We have how many methods?
Three
Three
methods.
methods. One is what? Execute update method. One is execute update method. Another one,
Execute.
but for time being, there are three methods are there. So now here you must get out when to use which method. Whenever you perform which operation?
DDL operation.
DDL.
DDL operations like insert, update, create, alter,
Create all truncate.
use which method?
DDL. Execute method.
Execute method. Whenever you want to perform which operations?
DML.
DML.
DML
Set,
operation.
update,
Use
delete.
which method? Execute,
Update.
update method. Whenever you want to perform which operation?
Select operation.
Select operation. Use execute. Query.
Query.
Prepare statement you can use for select. Result set is there one more.
Result set, sir.
Yes. Here one more is there. What is that one?
Result set.
Result set. For what purpose?
Select query.
Select query.
For what purpose? Select query. You read, all of you read, you will feel comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Step number 5, execute the query. Step number 6, close the connection. Step number 6 is what?
Close the connection.
Close the connection. So how to close the connection? By using con dot close. Con dot what?
Close.
Close.
Close. These are the steps you need to follow. So as I given all the steps, you are feeling very heavy. In easy manner, if you want to write, I will write C. Step
Hello.
number 1. Yeah, wait. Let me complete my version.
Okay.
Import java.sql.star. This is step number 1. Step number 2, register the driver. How to register? By using what?
Class dot for name.
Class
Class
for
Class dot for name.
For name method.
Step number 2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Step number 3. Get the connection
Connection.
object.
Connection.
Get which object?
Connection
object. On.
Step number 3. By heart it. You're experts in by heart, I think.
No, yes, sir.
What happened here? Get the connection of. Okay. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, this is step number 3. Get the connection object. Step number 4. Create a statement object. Which object?
Statement of
Object. Step
Object.
number 5. Pass the query.
Pass the query.
Pass the query. Here you can pass the query by using object name st dot. Here you can write st dot execute update or any query. Execute update. St dot execute update, and in double quotes you have to pass what? Query. You have to pass query and store the result of the query in one reference. Yes or no?
Sir.
Okay, sir.
sir.
Execute update. That's enough actually for time being. That I will explain again. And then close the connection. Con dot what?
Close.
Close.
These are the 5 steps. Step number 1, import the package. Step number 2,
Register the driver in
register
driver
the driver
manager.
in driver manager. Step number 3, get the connection object.
Establishing the
Step
connection.
number 4, create the
Yes.
statement object. Step number 5, execute the
Execute the
query,
query.
the connection. Now tell me any doubts you have?